Welcome to Lindley Hancock's video on AI in manufacturing, revolutionizing industry. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the manufacturing industry by streamlining processes, reducing waste, and improving quality control. With AI, machines can be programmed to automatically adjust their settings to optimize performance and reduce downtime. Robotics and automation powered by AI can take on repetitive and dangerous tasks, improving safety for workers. Real-time data collection and analysis through AI can provide insights into manufacturing processes and predict maintenance issues before they occur. At Lindley Hancock, we specialize in helping manufacturers implement AI technologies to optimize their operations and gain a competitive edge in their industry. Thank you for watching our video on AI in manufacturing, revolutionizing industry. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.